In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into your Google Forms effortlessly. Whether you're creating a survey, quiz, or feedback form, images can provide valuable context or simply make your form more visually appealing. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, we'll start by heading over to Google Drive. If you're logged into your Google account, this should be relatively straightforward. All you need to do is navigate to your browser and type in Google Drive, or you can click on the link in your bookmarks if it's already saved there. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a variety of options available on the left. Go ahead and click on the Apps section. This is where you'll find all your Google applications. In this Apps section, look for Forms and give it a click. You might wonder why we're starting here. The reason is Google Forms are a part of the suite of Google Apps, and accessing it through Google Drive is both convenient and organized. Now that we're in Google Forms, it's time to select a form in which you want to add an image. If you have previously created forms, you'll find them in the recent documents or saved forms. If not, feel free to start a new form by clicking on the blank form option available here. Once your desired form is open, look towards the right sidebar where there are various icons for editing and formatting your form. Among these options, you should find an icon that resembles an image labeled Add Inline Image. Click on it to start the process of adding an image. After clicking on Add Inline Image, a pop-up will appear. This window allows you to either upload images from your computer, or browse through Google Images, your albums, or any previously uploaded images. For this tutorial, let's go with uploading an image from your personal files. Select the Browse button, which will open up your File Explorer. Here you can navigate through your folders and files to find the image you've decided to use. Double click on the image or select it and click the Open button to upload the image to your form. Lastly, once the image is uploaded, you might find options to resize or reposition it. Adjust as needed to ensure your form looks just the way you want it. And there you have it, you've successfully added an image to your Google form, enhancing its visual appeal and engagement. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your Google Forms will now be even more engaging with images. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.